Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to be installing this new 1 7/8 coupler on the front of my own, about a not quite 4 foot by 6 foot trailer. This basically, I bought this trailer for $40 at a farm auction. Put tubes in the tires because the tires were shot. You know, they're all dry cracked, but I didn't want to spend the money to replace the tires. The wheels are rusted. So I just put tubes in them because I just run around here, around the property with the four-wheeler moving stuff. So I'm not sticking a lot of money into it. It'll never go on the road. I don't have a title for it. I don't intend to get one. And I've got a 6x10 and a 7x18 foot trailer, so I don't need a little bitty one. This isn't even big enough to get my four-wheeler in. So, but it's great for towing around with the four-wheeler because it's small, it's light, and it does dump. I've actually just got it tilted up right now though, because like I said, we're going to install a new coupler on it. So the coupler that I got is just a cheapie from Harbor Freight. Nothing expensive. Be good enough for what I'm doing. The reason I'm installing a new one is this one sat on the ground for years, and I don't know how well it's going to show up on this video, but right here is the bail that this actually holds onto the ball, and you can see how eroded it is. Maybe if I get the light right, it's really eroded across the bottom, and the nut is so rusted I can't adjust it up any tighter. I mean, the coupler's just, it's seen some better days. So they actually bolted it on originally. You can see 2 bolts here. There's one there, but then apparently they had some issues, so they just plug welded it, the heads of the bolts. So I'm going to hit that with an impact and see if I can get in there. I'm going to get an impact on it, hit it, see if I can't break those welds, and then I'm going to either have to drill out or grind out this plug weld up here on top, and then hopefully it'll come off and we'll just weld the new one on. I'm tempted to say there's probably another plug weld back underneath of this loop they put on for the safety chains. If that's the case, well, we'll hit that with a torch, chop it off, and get to it. I would be tempted to go back here and just weld the new coupler on here, but it won't fit over top of this square tubing. It's got to go on this smaller square tubing. So that's how we're going to take care of it. Yeah, that one just snapped off. That one actually broke the plug weld. She's off. It fits on there real nice. Slide it back a little farther. Maybe. Yeah, I got plenty of room. So the bolt holes don't line up. I'll weld her on. Let's see if I can get her close enough to the welder. I got my blower running, which is not good for MIG welding, but considering the fact that the coupler's galvanized, you do not want to weld on galvanized unless you're in a very well ventilated area, because galvanized is nasty. The stuff that comes off of it is toxic. So Apparently the mice are having a tussle back there. There we go. We've got 6 plug welds and then a couple of stitches along the back side. I don't think she's going to go anywhere. Now it's time to we'll hitch it up back in the four-wheeler and adjust the bail up for the ball, and we should be good to go again. Okay, you see the plug welds here, there, and on that side, and then we just stitched it around there. That'll be more than enough to hold it on. Now we've got to adjust this up, and then we'll have to cut this off flush with the nut, otherwise it'll hit this back side of this hitch. Now we're just going to take the grinder since it's already plugged in. We're just going to chop that bolt off. I just got to find the little end of it. It just dropped off and took off. There it is. There. There we go. Works. That'll do. Well guys, thanks for watching. In the last video you saw me repair the hitch here on the back of the four-wheeler. Now we just repaired the tongue on the trailer, put a new coupler on it. Do me a favor, please don't forget to rate, subscribe, questions, put them down in the comment section. We'll see you on the next one guys. Hope you're enjoying these. Share them with your friends please.